Today on the table, I've got a Samsung Galaxy Tab A 9.7 inch with the model number SM-T550. You're going to need a thin pry tool, and then once you get started, a thicker pry tool. Also double check there's no SD card or SIM card in there. You definitely want to remove them prior to prying it open. So I've chosen to start around the SD slot, just because the plastic there is a little bit thinner and a bit easier to pry up. So as you can see, I'm slowly working my way into it. And once I've spread that enough, I'll grab a thicker pry tool. Yeah, the pizza cutter style doesn't really work too well, so I'll switch that over and use the other end. Being as well as this one's got plastic on it, as opposed to a metal edge, it will help it open up a bit easier without damaging the plastics. Also, do be cautious around the micro USB port at the bottom. That section there does tend to tear if you apply too much force trying to open it. Anyway, I'll keep prying. And here we go. And we're now in. So what I'll be using is a Phillips head screwdriver down the bottom and a flathead screwdriver to replace the charger port on this one. As you can see, it's the same model. There's a different shade of colour, but that shouldn't really matter too much, if at all. So remove all the Phillips head screws down the bottom here, preferably somewhere safe. It's not going to get knocked off the table. And from here, there's a couple of tabs that you're able to pry under. So I'm going to do that to both these speakers and eventually get them out. Same with the left-hand side. And you should be able to disconnect the flex cable with your fingers up the top here. And that should mostly be done. Now there is a small little metal bracket that's on the around the micro USB. I did have to swap it over on this one, but apart from that, it was all very straightforward. So from here, I'm going to let the video play out, and I'll see you later. Bye.